Candy Hour Sew and Short Workshop. So we have Ashanti, one of my students, just made a skirt for her baby.
Yes,
her first project.
Let me model it.
It's too funny.
Okay.
Yes. So, what have you learned in this process of learning how to sew? You have a brother, JX2517,
Yes, I do.
and had the liberty of finding me where?
On Instagram and YouTube and Facebook also.
And Facebook, and you were able to follow the instructions. Was it good for you?
Yes. Yeah. On YouTube, the videos were so helpful. They were so in depth of what needed to be done to help me learn how to prepare my brother before I sew.
Yep.
And all of the equipment needed to sew.
You were really good because even as a beginner, I didn't have to show you pretty much nothing. You were able to follow the videos to a T. Learning how to thread the machine, how to refill the bobbin case is usually one of the hardest things that new sewers have, and you had it down pat.
Yes, I did. I had it down pat.
So that was
those
a plus.
YouTube videos, those were a plus.
Thank you.
Those were a plus.
Thank you. Thank you. So today you made your first project. Now you attempted other projects before.
Yes, I have.
One is right there.
Which is a spandex pants.
Yep, for your daughter.
For my daughter.
Yeah.
And a shirt. Yes. And I can say starting from this and now knowing the right essentials to help me to better pretty much sew a hem, to
preparing it, to cutting it, to measuring it, to pinning it, to pressing it.
I'm just I'm thrilled of the work, the work that I've learned to critique and to pretty much know what needs to be done in order to make something so beautiful.
Yep, and something that you could wear, she could wear.
Yes, something that we can both wear. My children, my family. Yep. I'm so happy to learn a trade like this.
So now it also gives you the ability to, when you go into the stores, you can second guess if you want to buy something now because you could make it.
Yes, now girl, you got me so boosted up. I don't want to buy anything. I'll buy the fabric. I'll buy the fabric so I can use 2, 3. I can make 2 or 3 of the same thing that they will really try to make me spend $20 for.
Yeah. So what did you think about the class itself?
The class itself, I feel like it was pretty much the best one-on-one session that I can ask for in the comfort of my home and the comfort and the pretty much you're very dependable if it came to me learning sewing, me learning the obstacles that it takes just to know what to do.
So now are you ready for your next project? Do you feel like you're confident enough to take the skills that you've learned and move on to another project?
Yes, I'm confident enough now to say I'm ready to move on to a new project, which would be a shirt. I would say if I had to choose, it would be
even a dress for yourself.
Even a dress for myself, a spandex dress for myself. Yes, I can't wait. I cannot wait.
All right. Well, thank you so much for trusting the Sew and Short Workshops to teach you how to sew and watching my YouTube videos. I really appreciate that. Giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel as always. And you never know, ladies and gentlemen, we might be seeing the next designer and the next model.
Yes.
We might be. She's so funny. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.